Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B, and welcome to another episode. I'm going to talk about an ultra deep beard hydrating conditioner treatment. I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step process. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get you a terry cloth towel or t-shirt, and then you're going to run this under hot water. And what that's going to help is your cuticles, going to help your cuticles open up with the hot towel, so the beard moisturizer can get in your cuticles, and it can really be more effective on your it has a better effect on your beard. All right, so step one, run it under hot water. All right, like I said, we're going to open up those cuticles, so that's step one. This stuff is hot. Ooh, shoot. Why? You know what I'm saying? You see it's steaming. Steaming, beaming. So then now you're going to hold this for a couple minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. All right, so then step two, you want your beard moisturizer. All right, make sure you get your beard moisturizer in. So for this here, normally I've told you guys use about a quarter, you know, depending on the length of your beard, but since we're doing a ultra deep beard hydrating treatment, then what I do is I take like, I take me a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? A little bit more, because you want to make sure that this is getting all in your beard. All right, so don't be afraid, because it's a moisturizer. It's gonna moisturize that beard. So the next step you want to do is you want to detangle it. Always when after you're using your beard moisturizer, detangling it. It's going to help you detangle your beard better. Okay, so then now the second step, get you a shower cap. You can go to the 99-cent store, dollar store, Dollar General, whatever. Get you a shower cap, and then you're going to put this, leave this on your beard, because now what we're going to do is we're going to allow the hydration, my hydration, to marinate. You feel me? You want it to marinate in that beard. So this is going to be a really, really great tool. So this is a substitute for a steamer. Not everybody got a steamer in their house, so you can use this as a substitute. All right, so now, of course, you want to take that off. All right, and then as you see, it's starting to come together. Then you want to take your t-shirt or your towel, and then you want to run it over cold water, because then what cold water is going to do, you've already opened up your cuticles, you applied your beard moisturizer, it's working, it's in there marinated, been marinating, cooking up, you know what I'm saying, heating up. Now you want to close those cuticles so it doesn't damage your beard. And that's why it's super, super important that you rinse your hair and your beard with cold water, because it makes sure it helps you to close those cuticles. So let's get right into it. All right, so you want to make sure this is nice and cool, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? And you want to put this on for like 1 to 2 minutes, you know what I'm saying? Be patient. If you really want to hack into this, I'm going to give you a secret. Do the apple cider vinegar rinse before. Get in the shower, rinse your beard before, all right? So I take this here, you feel me? And so I do about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for my length. Everybody's gonna be different. And then rub it in. All right, fellas, that's the ultra deep beard hydration treatment right there. That's gonna make sure that's gonna take your beard moisture to a whole nother level. Again, you need to do this at least 2 times a month. Once a week will be great, especially in those winter months, especially the dry season, especially in those seasons where it's it's highly humid. This is going to bring that moisture right back to your beard, and you're gonna see a transformation. You're gonna see a transformation. Hope you guys enjoy that. Make sure you grab your your moisturizer, your beard moisturizer. It will be down in the link below in the description. Also leave a comment. I know a lot of guys out there, like over 70% of guys' beards are dry. Okay, so make sure you guys make sure you moisturize your beard. It's super, super important. I've talked about it and I will continue to talk about it because I know there's a lot more men out there that do not know versus who do know. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed, hit the like, and also watch our other episodes, please, and share this. All right, please share this. Like always, this is your boy B, and you already know. Deuces, we out.